Yeah.
My name is Chef Peter Mukusyo, the group chef of Porini Camps, and today we are going to do a soup for you, for our clients. We are going to do cauliflower, sweet corn, and blue cheese soup. And now here are my ingredients. I have my salt, I have leeks, I have a garlic, I have a cauliflower, sweet corn, butter, double cream, and my stock, vegetable stock, and then the blue cheese. Also I have olive oil, green olive oil sauce, and pepper for my soup today. So now we can start with our cooking, and I start by lighting up my jiko. Now it's on, so I do my butter. And a bit of olive oil. I let it melt. Now that is melted, I add my leeks. That is leeks and garlic. And let it sweat, cook it until tender. That will take me 2 or 3 minutes. Within 2-3 minutes we'll be ready. My leeks is ready. I had the cauliflower. Cauliflower and the sweet corn. I cook further until it's dry. Now it's dry. I add the stock, vegetable stock. And bring it to boil. Let it come to boil. Can cover it, no problem. Now I check my soup, whether my soup is ready. The soup is almost ready. Now I do seasoning, salt and pepper. Do like 1 teaspoon of salt and some crushed peppercorns. Right inside, I just do inside. Then I let it cook further for 2-3 minutes. Then we'll be ready to blend. Now my soup is ready. So now I should blend it because it should be smooth. Now I blend the soup. I use sticky blender, so I blend just straight away, no waiting. Now my soup is ready. I reboil it.
No.
Now my soup is ready to serve, but before I serve, I correct my seasoning and do finishing. I finish with the double cream. I pour it inside, mix it thoroughly. And now my soup is ready to serve. I serve my soup. I finish with the green olive oil sauce. Now it's ready. Now I serve my soup with the garlic baguette. Today I've chosen to do with the garlic baguette, but you can use warm bread rolls with the kind of flavor you want. Can be olive rolls, can be rosemary rolls, whichever you want. For my case today, it's garlic baguette. Enjoy. That's all for today. Enjoy your soup, and for more of our recipes, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, Game Watcher Safaris and Porini Camps.